Oh,
Yo,
Wagwan.
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 What's up with y'all, man?
This guy.
Hey, hold on. What's that one that's doing your hair? What's her name? With the glasses.
Laura.
Nara, how you doing? How old are you, Nara?
18.
Damn, baby, you look mad beautiful.
Thank
Oh.
Come in the front. Come chat with me.
you.
Come,
Hi.
Come talk to me. Hi. Come close to me. I can't see. I got an eye problem.
Where wants to get the lighting?
Huh? Damn, but we do got the same hair. Damn, just imagine our kids' hair. Beautiful, isn't it?
It's too soon for kids.
I know, but I'm just saying the hair. I'm just saying the hair thing. But shit, follow me on IG. Drop your info, baby. I want to talk to you.
Really? Are you Christian?
Am I Christian? No, why?
Because
Put some money flying in the background.
You don't know sometimes people, but like, I only spek to Christians.
You only speak to Christians?
Yeah, she's looking for a man of
Man
God.
of God. Man of God, not boy.
There's only one God, you know?
Yeah, of course, my one.
Now I ain't gonna disrespect your religion, but yeah, there's only one God and we both, you know? We both believe in God, so we can work that shit out.
I don't know.
Just drop
My
your...
foot's always first.
Just drop your... Just about it. You see how it goes.